Hello, I am Sandeep Nagmute, Assistant Professor at Late Bhaskar Singhne and Professor N.G. Gawande, Science and A.G. Commerce College, Sagarkheda. We are today discussing about a topic that means genes interaction. We know that genes controlling our phenotype and as well as our metabolic activities. In first of all, genes first of all, what do you mean by genes? For that, we are focusing about the some research that has been taken place for the study of genes. In that work, Mendel and other workers assumed that character are governed by the single genes, but later it was discovered that many characters are governed by two or more genes. Previously, I can say that any character which can we express that are controlled by single genes. This assumption has been given by the Mendel, but finding of other workers saying that the any character means certain character can be expressed by the functions of two or more genes, means every character cannot be expressed by a single genes, means some characters are expressed by the expression of two or more genes. In that way, such genes affect the development of concerned character in the various way. Means their genes effect on a expression character are expressed in number of ways. This leads to the modification of typical dihybrid ratio, which can be given by the Mendel, that is 9:2, 3:2, 3:1, or trihybrid 27:9, 9:9, 9:9, 3, 3, 3, 1. This can be changed. Let us we discuss the numerous deviation have been recorded in different kinds of interaction are possible between the genes. Means Mendel's assumption and Mendel's dihybrid ratio can change by studying the different types of interactions, which will help in development of certain characters. Let us study the phenomena of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in various ways in the development of single character of an organism. Character expression is the expressing character of genes which will be one or two or more, and their single expression unit, that means phenotypic expression, is different when the expressing partners are in different forms. Such interactions of genes called as a gene interaction. Most of the characters of living organism are controlled, influenced, governed by the collaboration of several different genes. Means single character can be expressed only when number of genes are expressing themselves to show the certain character. Bateson suggests concept of gene interaction, and this concept is called as Bateson factor hypothesis. There are number of gene interactions. Kinds of gene interaction will be intra-allelic gene interactions and inter-allelic gene interaction. In first intra-allelic gene interaction between the alleles of single genes are referred to as intra-allelic gene interactions. commonly referred to as intragenic interaction. Means intra means we know that allele means certain genes locate on a chromosome. Their pair alternate pair present on the chromosome at a same locus. In that locus, two genes present on a single locus, such genes called as a allele. And in that allelic pair, such that two genes interact and certain character will be expressed called as the intragenic interaction. Second one is the interallelic gene interaction. Genetic interaction between the alleles of one genes with the alleles of other genes are referred to as the intraallelic gene interaction, commonly referred to as intergenic. Means we know that our human body made up from more than 45,000 genes. In that way, our body showing thousands of genes located on a number of chromosomes. In that way, every genes having their allelic pair, but those allelic pair will not show effect on the expression of other genes. Means when two genes present on a different locus and their interaction will affecting the certain character, such interaction called as the interallelic gene interactions. Here are some example of interallelic gene interaction, which will be studied one by one. Complementary gene interaction, supplementary gene interaction, epistasis, dominant epistasis, recessive epistasis, and non-epistasis. In that we are discussing about the various example, their ratio which will be changed from 9:3:3:1. Okay. Tomorrow we will discussing about the complementary gene interaction, which their ratio will be 9:3:3:1 get changed to 9:7. Their example, flower color in Lathyrus odoratus. Okay, here we will stop today. Thank you.